Yo, if your footage looks perfect in DaVinci but turns into a washed out TikTok filter the moment Premiere touches it, congratulations. You just jumped into your gamma tags. Let's fix that. All right, y'all, welcome back. It's your boy, Meet Your Boy Michi, your editor's favorite editor, the dude who makes post-production make sense. Today we unlocking something creators struggle with every day. Color setups between DaVinci Resolve and Premiere Pro, so your footage stops changing colors like a mood ring. By the end of this video, you'll know how to export from DaVinci the right way, the exact tags and gamma settings Premiere needs, and why Rec 709 and Gamma 2.4 is the universal language between both apps. How to override Premiere's I do what I want energy, and how to completely prevent washed out or crushed looking footage. Here's the truth. Nobody tells you DaVinci and Premiere don't see the video the same by default. One uses Gamma 2.4, the other sometimes assumes 2.2. And that tiny difference is why your footage looks like it's arguing with itself. That little gamma mismatch, that's the reason why your blacks get milky. Your skin tones flatten and your whole image look like it got hit by a cheap LUT. Let's start in DaVinci. This is the foundation. If this part is wrong, nothing else matters. Now that we're in DaVinci Resolve, go to your deliver page. Now your deliver page is this little rocket right here on your on the right side of your bottom panel. You click on that. Go over here to Format, Kodak, and Type. On your Format, you go to QuickTime. On Kodak, you go your Apple ProRes, and Type, you go to your Apple ProRes 422 HQ, okay? For your resolution, you need to keep your resolution at 3840 by 2160, okay? If you don't have your clip at that, if it's at 1080, et cetera, make sure you change it there for high resolution, okay? In your advanced settings, right here, it should be closed in, but make sure you click on that. In your advanced settings, make sure you stay at square, make sure your data levels is at video, not full, not any of the other stuff. Your most important thing is your color tag and your gamma tag. Your gamma tag is at 2.4 and your color space tag is at Rec 709. Everything else should stay the same. All right, now we in Premiere, and Premiere always needs a reality check. So step by step, right-click your clip, go to Modify, go to Color. Once you go to Color, you go to Override Media Color Space. Select Rec 709. And that's it. And hit OK. Basically, you telling Premiere, stop assuming things. Read the footage the way I told you to. Next up, we got to make sure your whole timeline match your footage. So go to sequence, and excuse my face right there. I'm working on, actually my movie's done. So you can go check it out after this video. I'll send a link. So you go to sequence settings, go to color management. Once you go to color management, there should be an advanced bar right here. Click on working color space and choose, you already know, Rec 709, and hit OK. And that's it. This is how you prevent colors from shifting whenever you add effects, mask, or blend modes. If your highlights look weird or your overlays look too strong, turn this on. Go to sequence settings, go to all the way down. I already got it checked, but go all the way down. You'll see composite and linear color. Click on that, hit OK. And there you go. This makes Premiere blend pixels in a mathematically accurate way instead of I guess method. Before we wrap, here's a whole color pipeline in one breath. DaVinci exports ProRes, DM by HR 10-bit, Rec 709 plus Gamma 2.4 tags, import to Premiere, override color space sequence in Rec 709, Gamma 2.4, display color management on, composite linear on. This is the cleanest pipeline you will ever use. All right, y'all, that's the full color bridge between DaVinci and Premiere. If you follow this pipeline, your footage will look exactly the same in both programs. No more washed out heartbreaks. I'm dropping deeper breakdowns every week, so if you want to master color, if you want to stop guessing, and if you learning something from me, hit that like and subscribe. Only if I earned it. Episode 3 is next. We dive into how to build a cinematic look from scratch without overdoing it. So, click the box on the screen, and I'll meet you there. Meet you.